Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This oceanfront residence presents a rare opportunity, ideal as a beachfront villa for personal enjoyment or investment property. It is located in Wentworth Heights, St. Mary, and sits on 0.63 acres of land. Spread across 3 stories, this 5 bedroom, 5.5 bath haven features a main property with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, office or bonus room, over 2 floors, accompanied by 2 additional self-contained studio apartments on the lower rear level. Crafted to harness the refreshing ocean breeze, the property provides seamless access to the ocean and the stunning mountain views. It boasts a saltwater pool with outdoor shower and restroom facilities, a backup generator, and is strategically located 10 minutes from Port Maria and 25 minutes from Ocho Rios. Indulge in the serene sounds of the ocean from the multiple balconies. The thoughtfully designed layout of the house is ready for immediate occupancy. Seize the opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 379.7 thousand or Jamaican $58.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.